Guys, this made me sweat in 5 minutes, and it's a video game. Because let's be real, most games today are the opposite. You sit, you hold a controller, and that's pretty much it. And if you've got kids, it's even worse. Screens, tablets, phones, not exactly the most active lifestyle. But what if gaming could actually get you off the couch? I am Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they are really like before you buy. So today, folks, we are checking out something a little different. This is the KINHANK MotionX, a motion-based game console that turns your entire body into the controller. No controllers, no wearables, no complicated setup. Just plug it into your TV and start moving. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Let's see how this thing actually works, and whether it's just a gimmick or something genuinely fun. Alright mates, so the idea behind MotionX is pretty simple, but also kind of refreshing. This is a plug-and-play game console designed for families, kids, and honestly anyone who just wants something more active. Instead of holding a controller, the system uses a built-in camera to track your movements in real time. So when you move, jump, or wave your hands, the game reacts instantly. And what really makes it stand out, friends, is how simple and accessible it is. No need to buy extra controllers or accessories. Just plug and play, and you're ready to go. It's also more affordable compared to similar systems, and the experience keeps evolving with 1 to 3 new games added every month. Setup is super straightforward. You plug it into your TV using HDMI, connect the power, and that's basically it. No downloads, no accounts, no subscriptions. Everything is already built in, which is honestly a big plus. And guys, right out of the box, you get access to around 40 different games. They're all designed around movement, so instead of sitting and pressing buttons, you are actually interacting with the screen physically. And what's really interesting here, friends, is that this is one of those rare cases where kids actually get tired before they get bored. It turns screen time into active time, and even becomes something the whole family can enjoy together. Alright folks, this is where things get interesting, the actual gameplay. Because this device lives or dies by how fun the games are, and more importantly, how well the motion tracking works. So let's start with something simple. There are dance-style games, where you basically follow movements on screen. You're stepping, moving your arms, trying to match the rhythm. It's super easy to get into, and honestly mates, this is one of those things where you don't realize how much you're moving until you're already sweating a bit. Then you've got sports-style games. Things like football or reaction-based challenges, where you need to move quickly, dodge, or hit targets. These are great because they feel a bit more competitive, especially if you're playing with someone else. There are also party-style games, which are probably the most fun in the group. These are the kinds of games where everyone's laughing, moving around, and not taking things too seriously. Perfect for family nights or when you've got friends over. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Thanks! Now, another type I tried was more casual arcade-style games, where you're slicing, catching, or reacting to things on screen. These are simpler, but they're great for quick sessions and for younger kids. And what I like here, folks, is that switching between games is fast. You're not stuck in long loading screens or complicated menus. You just pick something and go. In terms of tracking, it's actually pretty responsive. It's not perfect, but for this type of system, it works well enough to feel natural. You don't have to exaggerate your movements too much, which makes it easier to just play without thinking about it. And the biggest difference compared to normal gaming is how active it feels. You're standing, moving, reacting, sometimes even jumping around. Friends, it turns gaming into something more physical, which is honestly refreshing. Now folks, beyond just motion games, there are a couple of extra things worth mentioning. The system doesn't require internet to play, which is great if you just want something simple. You only need Wi-Fi if you want updates, and they do add new content over time, which keeps things from getting boring. Guys, there's also a strong focus on safety and privacy, which is important since this uses a camera. Everything is processed locally, nothing is uploaded, and there's even a physical cover you can slide over the camera when you're not using it. Another interesting detail is that it's not limited to just motion games. If you want, you can connect accessories or even use it for other types of content, which adds a bit more flexibility. But realistically, mates, the main reason you're getting this is for the motion experience, and that's where it really shines. Getting kids moving without even thinking about it, bringing the family together, and turning gaming into something that actually feels active and energizing. Alright guys, so here's the bottom line. The KINHANK MotionX is all about making gaming more active and social. It's easy to set up, simple to use, and doesn't require subscriptions, which makes it great for quick fun with family or friends. Folks, it's not about high-end graphics or deep gameplay, but that's not the goal here. This is about movement, energy, and just having a good time together. So if you want something that gets people off the couch and actually moving, this is definitely worth checking out. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.